What's up, everybody? My name is Kendra, and come check out this tiny home. Come check out this beautiful tiny home. In here we have a split AC unit, one in the living room and one in the master bedroom. We have a loft at the very top with plenty of space for either storage or your little ones to play. In here we have lots of cabinet space, a little entertainment center. Your appliances come with it with a 1-year warranty. Beautiful farmhouse sink, and then a beautiful barn door. And behind this, we have a little pantry. Come follow me, you guys. Beautiful bathroom with a walk-in shower. And then over here, the steps to your loft. Come check out this master bedroom. Nice sized master bedroom with a little doggy area and your second split AC. And the cool thing about this is the vaulted ceilings. Come check us out here in Corpus Christi, Texas.